Hi Anand, welcome to all of you in my channel Join for Education. Today I am going to discuss about the different structure of past indefinite or simple tense. This is one of the most important part of tense, and tense is one of the most important chapter of English grammar. Let us develop the class. Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. This is the active, affirmative or assertive structure of past simple or indefinite tense. Example is in this way, such as Ram read a book. Let us develop the class. Did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object. This is the interrogative structure of past simple or indefinite. Example is in this way, did Ram read a book. Subject plus did plus not plus first form of the verb plus object. This is the negative structure of past simple or past indefinite. Example is in this way, such as Ram did not read a book. Object plus was where, any one of these two, plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. This is the passive structure of past simple or indefinite tense. So active structure of past simple or indefinite is changed into passive structure. This one is also known as the active voice into passive voice. When we change active voice into passive voice, then we follow some general rule. Subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive voice, and object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. So the structure is in this way, object plus was where, any one of these two, plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Example is in this way, a book was read by Ram, and the active example is in this way, Ram read a book. So a book is the object of the active structure, so a book will be subject of the passive structure, and we write the here was, and third form of the verb read is read, and we write down here by according to the structure, and we write down at last Ram as the object which is the subject of the active structure. So these are the simple details about different structure of the past indefinite or simple tense. Thanks to all of you to stay with me. Thanks to all of you to stay with me till the last details of the different structure of the past indefinite or simple tense. So we have no problem if we have proper idea about the different structure or most important structure of the past indefinite or simple tense, and a statement is related to the past indefinite, then we have no problem to express our thought. Thank you very much to stay with me.